Hi, my friends. This is Mrs. Alexander, and today we will learn about line-based coding in our TechSmart programs. We're going to know we're doing this because I will be able to write a program where everything is organized into a single program using up, up, and away. Let's go look and see what we have. So right here in this exercise, we will write a program where everything is organized in a single program. So before I go anywhere else, I'm going to go to our code, and I want to do what we usually do at the beginning. Let's go ahead and run our solution, so what we have, and then see what we do have. See what our end is, and see what we have. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like I'm going to have to move Breeze and Boulder, because if not, they get hit by the land, and that's not good. I don't like Boulder going out. Okay, now that we've done that, it's good to see. Now I'm going to push play to see what we have here. So here we just have them doing nothing. So it looks like we get to actually start writing some code. Let's go look at our slides, get more information. In this exercise, we'll write a program where everything is organized into a single program. Getting up to the floating islands was no easy task. Since she was the strongest flyer, Breeze agreed to carry the heavy boulder up into the sky. Breeze is such a good girl, and Boulder really appreciated it, I bet. Let's keep going. So here we go. This is what we have. We've run the program. Now we're going to discuss our features. So our features, Breeze can move back and forth. Boulder follows Breeze. The islands move downward forever. When Boulder hits an island, he says, "Ow!" and starts blinking. After 2 seconds, Boulder stops blinking. So let's keep going. And then there's a couple challenges. These will be up to you. Remember this video and how I help get you up to the challenges. It is up to you to do the challenges if you want them. So I'm going to go to our code. And I want to remind you about this section over here. It tells you description, everything I just said. It also gives us our features and also the challenges. Remember, this video just goes over the features. So it says create a new event. So right now, all of my players have nothing. Do you see how there's no picture? Remember, we're doing everything in mainframe. We're going to create a new event while left arrow key is down. So I'm going to go to Code Assist and go to Key and Mouse. And I'm looking for while key is down. So while space key is down. So I'm going to grab that. I'm putting it on the bottom. I'm going to change space to left arrow. But look at this. We have Move Breeze. So we're going to come over here to Motion and grab the Move Me. Remember, it doesn't say Move Me. It says Move Breeze Run. So we're going to change the Me to Breeze Run, and we are going left by 200 pixels. Now, remember right here tells you how many sections you have, and this tells you how many parts in each section. So it looks like I have 2 parts and 5 sections. So in this first section, we have 2 parts. So I'm going to hit next. It says create a new event, and we're going right. So right now I'm going to copy, Control C, and then Control V. As much as I love going into Code Assist, sometimes it's easier just to do this. So right now I'm going to hit right arrow, Breeze Run. We're going to run right, 200 pixels. Okay, let's check it out. We're going to push play. Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So ladies and gentlemen, it is doing the left and right. Why did I do up and down? Just to see if I messed up. I didn't. I followed directions. Let's keep going. Add to every frame under hashtag Boulder stays on Breeze's back. So right here, what are you going to grab? set boulders center X to breezes. So I'm going to grab this set center X. We're going to change this to boulders RPS because that's what it says. And we're going to set it to breeze run. So I'm going to grab the my center X and we're going to change the my to breezes run. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing right here. Set boulders center Y to breezes center Y minus 70. So let's go grab that. We're going to grab set center Y. So we got this right here. We're going to change this to boulder because we got that. Now we have set boulder center Y 2. We need breezes run center Y minus 70. So because of the minus 70, I have the green. I know I have to get that first. Now, if you've noticed, I've said minus. Our things are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and negative. So I need to make sure I get the subtraction because we know subtraction is minus. We're going to take away. So right here, I'm going to write 70. And now I have to go back to get the center Y. So I'm going to go back to motion and grab my center Y to go right here and change this to breezes run. And now it says to test it. So breeze and boulder should now move at the same pace. That's kind of cool. Look at that. I like. Let's keep going. You guys are doing a great job. Okay, we're going to add every frame under move islands down. So right here, we're going to move island down, island 1 down, island 2 down, and island 3. We're just moving them. So I'm going to quick grab all 3 so that I have them. And right here where it says down, right, I'm going to make them all say down. And it looks like they're all 250. So I will quick write that in. And then, remember we're doing a book and not a play. I have to move these me's and change them. So I'm going to do drop down, grab island 1, island 2, and island 3. Now we're in the third section with 2 parts. Let's go to the second part. Add to every frame under reset islands if they go too low. So right here. Okay, so let's look at this. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 conditionals of if something is greater than, then we're going to do this. So I need our if thens, which are under decisions. And I'm going to quick grab all 3. Sometimes it's just easier to have it done so we don't have to worry about. And all of them say greater than. So remember when we're looking at our greater than and less than, our idea of how to make sure we get it right. Remember greater than, 2 is greater than 1. So 2 dots to 1 dot. So I'm going to quick grab all 3 of them. Sometimes it's easier to do it in pack. Okay, and all of them are greater than 800. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my 800 for all 3. And now we need to go to motion because we have 2 of them that are motion. The first one is island center Y. And we're going to say islands 1. And what are they doing? Right here, grab my center Y, change the my to islands, and it has to be negative 200. So I could go in and grab the negative block in math or just write the negative sign. So I'm going to do it again. Set the Y. It's island 2. And we're doing negative 200. And I need to grab the center Y for this. And we're going to go island 2. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm noticing is we're doing a lot of the same. So if you don't want to grab all 3, you could grab one, go Control C, Control V, pull it over, and then change just a few things because all of the numbers 800 and negative 200 are all the same. Now that I have it, I have island 1, island 2, island 3. Let's go see what we have. Oh, so I can run into them right now because we haven't set that up. This is kind of cool. We're doing really good. Okay, you guys, we're going to our 4th section, and it has 3 parts. Add to before program starts. So right up here, we're going to add set boulder state to OK. So I'm going to grab my variable, come right over here. Oh, look, I don't have that variable. So I'm going to click right here, highlight boulder state, Control C that, come right over here, said new variable, Control V. Now remember, we cannot have apostrophes or spaces. So I'm going to say boulder state like this, hit OK. And then right here where it says OK, you can grab that and put it on. Kind of easy. I think that's kind of cool. It's right there. We don't have to go to text and type it out. Now I'm going to go next, and we're on the 2nd part. It says add to every frame under check if boulder hit an island. So right here, we're here. I have an if statement with an if statement and an or. Okay, let's go see if we can do this. I'm going to grab the if right now, if then, and this is equal to, so I'm going to grab the equal to. I'm going to variables so I can get my variable, and it's boulder state, and we're going to grab the OK. We're doing OK, but we have another if statement. So I'm going to go ahead and go to decisions, grab another if statement, but this time it goes inside. Do you see how the ifs don't line up right here? So they're not equal, it's inside. Now we're colliding. We have 2 ors. So I'm going to come right down here, grab our or, put it right here. And because I have 1, 2, right now I have 1, I'm going to go to the gear and add 1 more. Okay, now that I've done that, we have colliding with an island. So I'm going to come here to collisions, and we're going to come right here. I'm colliding with any, or am I colliding with? We're going to grab this one right here, change the variable to island 1. I'm going to grab another one. I'm happening to put in number 3, so I need to change it to island 3. And then I will grab one more, put in number 2, and we will call that number 2. The reason I did it that way is because I wasn't too sure if I would be able to get number 3 in there because it looked like it was going to be long. Now we have to set boulder state as hit. So I'm going to go back to variables, grab the variable. We're going to change boulder state, and I'm going to grab hit. And we get to print boulder out. So we got to go to text, grab the print, and then have them say out. Being we're only on the 2nd part of the 4th section, let's go to the 3rd part. Add to every frame under check if boulder hit an island. So right here, I'm going to go down, and if is equal to OK. So I'm going to quick grab this all over. Oh, you guys, I went the wrong way. Add to every frame under boulder blinks when he is hit. Sorry, you guys, I hit previous apparently. So we have if boulder state is equal to hit and boulders visible. Hit. Hide boulder RPS, else show boulder. So are we ready to see this? Let's go to our decisions. We're going to grab the if then. It goes right here. I'm going to come back and delete that. Is equal to, so I'm going to grab the is equal to, and right here we have and. So I'm going to come right down here to and, pull it. I'm going to put it in the second box. Right here we have hit. So I'm going to go ahead and put the hit. Sorry guys. It's supposed to be able to go in. Let's try that again. I'm going to delete that, grab a new one, goes here, and this should go right in here. Maybe I put it in backwards. Let's try this. Is equal to hit, and I don't think that's right, but we will try it out. Boulder state. So let's go to motion. Oh no, variables. Right, there we go. We're going to hit that as boulder state is equal to hit and looks boulder visible. So I'm going to grab this one. We're going to call it boulder RPS is visible. So if not, we're going to hide him. Else. So we have an else. So I've got to go here to the gear and grab the else. This is kind of fun doing everything in one area. I'm already at look, so we're going to hide me, but I can't use me. I have to make sure I say RPS, boulder RPS, else show me, show boulder RPS. Okay, so let me make sure I've got this right. If boulder state is equal to hit and boulder RPS is visible. Let's go see if I did this correct. This is kind of fun. Oh, I forgot to change something. Right here I am. So I have to go back, you guys. Boulder RPS should be on these. So I'm going to start right over here to boulder RPS. It's okay. I made a mistake. We caught it. We see what we're supposed to do better. And then I think I have it all correct again. So I'm back over here. We're going to hit play and see what happens. Oh, it's working. That's a lot of fun. We did it. Remember, it just takes time and patience, except for he's not stopping with the blinking. Oh, we have one more section, you guys. Let's go to the next section. I bet that'll help. Added before program starts, set blink time. I'm going to highlight blink time, Control C it. I'm going to go over to variables, grab set variables. I'm going to create a new one, Control V. Again, remember we're not allowed a space, so I'm going to do an underscore. And I'm going to hit OK. And we're going to go to Math to grab the 0. Okay, remember we have 3 parts of section 5. Let's look at the second part. Create a new event. So I'm going to come right down here. We're going to go to events. And it says every 0.1 seconds. So I'll say every seconds. Right here we'll do 0.1. And we're doing an if statement, which means we go to the decisions. I'm going to grab our if thing, you guys. And we need is equal to. So I'm going to grab the is equal to. And I'm going to grab the hit right here. We are going to go right here to variables and grab the variable where it says boulder state. Variable, push, boulder state. Now we're going to set a variable. So we're going to grab this and click blink time. Now we have blink time plus 0.1. So I know I need another variable, so I'm going to pull that out. but I need to go to math because I need to add 0.1. So remember, it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and negative. I need the addition, you guys. So I'm going to grab the addition. I'm going to put here where it's blink time, and I'm going to write right here 0.1. I'm not actually writing, I'm typing, but you know what I mean. So let's keep going, you guys. And we're on the last. Add to every 0.1 seconds if blink time is greater than or equal to 2. So I'm going to go ahead and go to decisions, grab my if then, because now I have greater than or equal to. So we're looking at the 1 dot or 2 dots. You guys are great. It is 2 dots with the equal sign. And it's got greater than or equal to 2, so I can write the 2. And we're going to go grab our variable. We need our variable to say blink time, you guys. And then we're going to set Boulder State and blink time. So right here, I'm going to say Boulder State. Here, I'm going to say blink time. Boulder State is okay. And then blink time is 0. So we got to go to math and grab the 0. Now, you guys, we get to test it out. Is it what we seen at that first one? Let's go. Oh, he stopped. That's kind of cool. Now we're going to get hit one more time, just see if it worked. Yes, it did. That was a lot of fun. Now, when I hit the next button, you guys, we get to the first challenge. And this is all about to you guys. You guys have fun with this. Take your time. Take a breath. Know that I'm very proud of you. And remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Have fun.